In this short lecture, we'll be discussing future real conditionals. Future real conditionals are the second type of conditional. Future real conditionals describe possible future conditions and real results. In other words, they describe something that must happen first before something else will happen. So let's look at a couple of examples of future real conditionals. If she studies for the test, she will feel confident. Again, just like present real conditionals, we have a condition in the if clause and the result. He will not graduate on time if he does not pass his chemistry class. So in this case, we have the independent clause first and the conditional clause second, but the meaning is the same. We have a condition, he does not pass his chemistry class, and the result, he will not graduate on time. If she does not have to work tomorrow, she may go to the beach. Again, the condition, this has to happen first. She does not have to go to work tomorrow. And then this will happen. She may go to the beach. And we can also use unless with future real conditionals. Unless she has to work tomorrow, she will go to the beach. In other words, if you remember, unless is the same as if not. So if she does not have to work tomorrow, she will go to the beach. To form future real conditionals, we need to use a simple present verb in the if clause, and then we use will or be going to in the independent clause. This is the most basic form of the future real conditional. So we can follow this formula: if, subject, simple present verb, comma, subject, plus will or be going to. So if we look at a couple of examples, if they study every day, their grades will improve. So here in the if clause, we have a simple present verb study, and in the independent clause, we have future time, or will improve. So in other words, this has to happen first. They study every day, and then after that happens, their grades will improve. Same thing for the next one. He is going to study in the library if it is too noisy at home. So we have the condition, if it is too noisy at home, and we have the result. He is going to study in the library. With future real conditionals, we can also use other modals in the conditional clause and also in the independent clause. So for example, if she has free time tomorrow, she may go to the beach. So in the if clause, we have a simple present verb has, but in the result clause or the independent clause, we have the modal may, but it still refers to the future. In the second one, he could graduate early if he takes 7 classes every semester. So we have the condition, if he takes 7 classes every semester, takes is a simple present verb, he could graduate early. The result is he could graduate early. And in the last one, if the teacher can finish grading early, he will go hiking. So notice that in this sentence, we use the modal can in the if clause, and we use the modal will in the result clause. So this has to happen first. The teacher can finish grading early. Then, after that, he will go hiking.